Hey everybody, it's Dan here for Smoke Daddy Inc. at Pellet Pro Grills. Today what we're going to be doing is cold smoking this nice big old tri-tip and reverse searing it with our Sear Daddy searing station. What we're going to be using here for cold smoking is the Smoke Ring cold smoker. We're going to be using the small side today for a smaller or a shorter smoking time. What's nice about this is you can flip it over and use the larger side for a longer smoking time if you want to go for about 10-14 hours or so. So we're going to be using that today, featuring the Pellet Pro 1190 pellet grill with a PID controller, monitors that temperature within about 5 or 10 degrees of your set point. We're going to be using our nice foldable front shelf, which works on most pellet grills. Then we're going to be using our wood chip blend with our little cold smoker, which has some charcoal pellets that gives you a little bit of that charcoal flavor and has a nitrate that you get nice, good smoke ring with it also. Now, as for the rub, we're going to be using the Killer Hogs AP homemade rub, which is granulated garlic, kosher salt, and pepper, and then also some of their Killer Hogs steak rub. So it's really good for about 12 hours, marinated overnight. We got the nice high quality Pellet Pro covers for our grills also, available separately. So yeah, let me show you how to do this. Alright, so I got the tri-tip on our top rack here. Like I said, I got our sear station on the bottom here. I'll show you how that works in just a second. So first we're going to be cold smoking this. So with our little cold smoker here, you just light it from one side, get it going. You can either use a propane torch or a heat gun, whichever you have available. You just kind of light it from the bottom and the top for a little bit. Then we're going to put this on the inside here, right on the bottom left of the bottom rack. And we're going to smoke it for about maybe hour and a half or so. This is nice smoke going there. So once you get a nice flame, just kind of blow it out a little bit, just like that. Set it on the inside there, and that right there, that'll last about maybe 4 hours or so, just like that. So what we're going to do now is going to just close up the grill, cold smoke that for about hour and a half or so, depending on how much smoke you want. And then we're going to wrap it in some saran wrap and put it in the fridge until we're ready to cook it. So we'll be right back. Alright, so it was cold smoking for about an hour and a half now, and the smoke ring is about done there, so that's the perfect amount of time we're looking for. And we're going to be doing a reverse sear today, which means that we're going to cook it indirectly until the internal temperature is about 115. Then right after that, we're going to put it on the Sear Daddy, and then we're going to sear the sides, get that nice grill marks on there. So what I'll do here, we'll be using our sear station, Sear Daddy, which works on any type of pellet grill that's about 19.5 inches deep and has the burn pot in the center of the grill. So it works on basically most of pellet grills out there. It works really well. So in this case, we'll just put a pan underneath here so it you don't get the direct heat when it's just trying to cook the meat. We'll get our nice little meat probe in here. Stick that right in the thickest part. And then in the controller here, it works just like your oven. You just turn it on, set the temperature straight to, today we're going to be doing it at 250. So just set it, close the lid, and forget it, and then we'll come back. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes now, and the grill is holding at a really nice about 247, about 250, which is perfect. The internal temperature, let's look here. Yeah, it's about 115, right where we want it at. So now what we'll do is we'll get this pan out of here, and we'll put it right on the Sear Daddy. And there. right on top of the Sear Daddy there. And then we're going to set the grill on high. And now you can also see here with that Sear Daddy, it's going to have a nice direct sear. You know, it's going to absorb all that grease so you get that nice flame broil. So it'll probably be only about maybe 10 minutes or so. We're going to wait until the internal temperature gets to about 135. We like that'll be about medium rare. If you like it a little bit more well done, about 145, 150 would be good. So we'll come back and see how she's doing. Thanks. All right, so it's actually only been about 10 minutes. It's already at 135. You know, during that time, we flipped it over once, you know, so it get that nice char on both sides. So it's pretty much done now. Just take out the probe, sit it on the hand. So yeah, you can see in 10 minutes, you know, what that did there, that tri-tip. So now what we're going to do is we're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes in the foil, and then slice her up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, using the sear station and the smoke ring cold smoker to get some nice smoke flavor in there. If you want to stop by our website, smokedaddyinc.com, or give us a call at 847-336-1329. We'll help you out. So thanks for looking. Go start cooking.